When your SQLAlchemy app loads a list of authors and then fires a separate query for each author's books, that is the N+1 problem in action. It turns a simple page into a database traffic jam. Both ChatGPT and Claude can spot this pattern and suggest eager loading with joined load or select and load. ChatGPT typically writes a complete refactor, adding the load directive and showing the before and after SQL output. Claude tends to explain the lazy loading mechanism first, then offers the fix with a note on when to prefer one loading strategy over another. In a side-by-side test on a typical blog model with authors and posts, ChatGPT produced a working snippet in about 45 seconds, while Claude took a bit longer but included a warning about potential join duplication with complex queries. The real difference shows in the explanation style. ChatGPT gives you the solution fast, Claude gives you the reasoning. For a developer who already knows why eager loading matters, ChatGPT wins on speed. For someone still learning ORM internals, Claude's step-by-step breakdown might save hours of debugging later. Either way, both tools can turn that N+1 nightmare into two efficient queries.